Your DayZ proximity voice chat not working on PS4 and PS5 is instantly fixed with these simple steps. This annoying audio glitch happens because the console operating system blocks the game from accessing your microphone permissions. To fix this, we must first open the PlayStation system settings, head to sound, and ensure your microphone input device is set to your actual headset rather than the controller mic. If that first step does not clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system permissions, which brings us to method 2. We need to override the in-game audio settings because DayZ often defaults VoIP volume to 0 after an update. Launch the game, open options, maximize the voice chat slider, and apply the changes to force the game client to open the communication channel. If you still cannot hear anyone, a quick console cache clear resolves corrupt temporary files, blocking server-side chat data. Simply shut down your console completely, unplug the power cable for 30 seconds, and restart. Finally, always ensure you are not in a private PlayStation party, as console party chat completely overrides in-game proximity audio streams.